In this video, I'll show you how to use the web search feature in Claude AI. This allows Claude to look up information from the internet and provide more up-to-date answers. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll click the plus icon on the left side of the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll click Web Search to enable the feature. Once web search is enabled, Claude can use the internet when responding to certain questions. Next, I'll click back into the message box and type a prompt that requires current information. For example, I might type, "Search the web and summarize the latest news about artificial intelligence." After typing my prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will then use web search to gather information and generate a response based on recent sources. If needed, I can ask follow-up questions to get more details or clarification. And that's it, I've successfully used the web search feature in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.